sambut Menteri Rangba Kajala uba kami katanat kampo yang ke sorkar jala uba Prestone tensong ula Kyntu kiken hun seng bhalang bakim day ban aiding Halor ke Jingjia syak penyap ki arngut ki bar jala ha Ichamati uba Prestone ula ong bahabe day ke Jingjia ha Ichamati ki bot pulet kidang pendong ke jingtok ket bat kaan kan omap satya ya noru ki badan keti ha ke jing penyap ya ki arngut ki bar jala ha Ichamati uba Prestone ula kerpat ya baro ban penne ya ka syong suk syong shngan bat ka sorkar kan pentikna bakaan kan yat hala ka jong kalenti.
Say the challenges are always there, but we are prepared for it. Whatever law and order arises, we are there, we are capable to handle things. And as I said to you, my request is only this, that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because I think recently I saw even I don't know, I may call it the fake statement made that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily the fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations. Well, the investigation is on. See, I think you know well, handling all these things is not at all proper for me to detail everything. So let me just tell you one thing, the law is there and the investigation is on, and even about who are more people involved in the incident, that investigation is still on. So I should not say anything, but however, I'm telling you, our police forces are in the field and we will make sure that everybody is safe.
So that means the tripartite peace talks is totally off the tables now. No, that's
well, I think the invitation is on and the door is still open. It is up to them. I will not comment anything on that, but we're still inviting them, come to the table of negotiation. You have already started. I think if possible, rethink your decision or recall back your decision. But if they feel that no, it is not necessary, then again, as I said to you, the law has to prevail. It's still on, and yes, we have picked up 2 people from there, and I will not give you all the details since the investigation is on. So let us be a little more patient till we reach out to the conclusion. Then only we'll be able to tell exactly what is happening.
What is your message to the NGOs? Because we see here there's a particular group that is involved here. If things tend to go out of control, what is your message? Because
well, the message is very clear. Be it our local NGOs or be it the non-tribal NGOs, so-called. My request and my appeal to all of them is, please don't cross the line. You can't cross the line. Let the law prevail as it is, and the law will not spare to anybody. So I would like to appeal and request all of them to refrain from such kind of incident, which is very, very unfortunate to everybody. So I would like to request all of them that see the law is above everybody, and from the government side, we'll make sure that let the law take its own course.